Hey guys, this is Joseph with Hatay Dodge Rams Commercial Fleet Department. Today I want to do a quick walk around of our regular cab two-wheel drive diesel 5500, painted in bright white that has the aluminum 19.5-inch rims. Guys, this truck would make an excellent delivery truck. It is two-wheel drive, great for your in-town deliveries. Make a great box truck or maybe a stake bed. Kind of go over some of the features here on this window sticker. Also, some other applications would be really great for is any type of utility body or maybe like a combo service body. Go through the interior of this one. It is a little bit nicer. So you get power locks, windows, and mirrors, but you get cloth seats on this one. So really soft, really nice in the summertime. They stay pretty cool. If you guys have any questions about this truck, please feel free to reach out to me, 661-398-0264, extension 401. I'd love to go over the chassis, plus all of the upfit options that we do have from our local vendors.